Hello guys, welcome to How to Solve a channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to use emojis and GIFs in team chat. So guys, for that go to your Microsoft Teams, then go to the chat box. Then you can see there is a emoji option in the inbox. You have to tap on it, and from here you will use any emoji that you want. There are different type of emojis like this, and if you want to use GIFs, then also you have to go to the emoji option. Then you can see there is a option GIF. Tap on it, then tap on the accept option, and you will find here all the GIF that you want to send. Select, then tap on send, and that's how you can use emojis and GIF very easily. So guys, that's it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.